Do you know that Harvard University plans to use ChatGPT as a professor? Is the rise of artificial intelligence heralding the dawn of a world without humans? Join us as we reveal 10 shocking facts that shed light on the potential future where ChatGPT and other AI tools reign supreme. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because on number 1, we will discuss something that will leave you in a state of complete disbelief. Number 10. Massive job displacement. One of the most concerning aspects of AI is the potential for massive job displacement. According to a study conducted by Oxford University, up to 47% of total U.S. employment is at risk of being automated in the coming decades. This alarming statistic highlights the significant impact AI could have on the workforce. Jobs in manufacturing, transportation, customer service, and data analysis are particularly vulnerable to AI replacement as machines and algorithms become increasingly capable of performing routine tasks. A report by the McKinsey Global Institute estimates that by 2030, between 400 and 800 million individuals worldwide could be displaced by automation and will need to find new job roles or acquire new skills. This indicates the scale of the potential impact, extending far beyond a single country or industry. Number 9. Midjourney has replaced the artists and graphic designers. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence platform that utilizes advanced algorithms, such as DALL-E, to generate images based on text input. It has the ability to replace artists, graphic designers, and logo designers by automating the creative process. With Midjourney, users can provide a text prompt describing their desired image, and the algorithm translates this input into a vector representation. Image generation algorithms then use this vector to generate multiple images that align with the semantics of the text. These generated images can mimic various artistic styles, allowing for a wide range of creative outputs. As a result, Midjourney offers a fast and cost-effective alternative to human artists and designers, potentially leading to a decline in their demand. Number 8. Harvard University uses AI chatbot as a professor. Harvard University is set to introduce an AI chatbot, similar to ChatGPT, as an instructor in one of its computer science courses. This innovative approach aims to achieve a teacher-to-student ratio of 1:1 in Harvard's popular CS50 course using AI technology. While the rise of artificial intelligence has already affected various industries, including ed and journalism, it is now posing a potential threat to the teaching profession, especially in coding education. Harvard's plan involves developing an AI-based instructor using advanced models like OpenAI's GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. By incorporating cutting-edge AI technology, Harvard demonstrates its commitment to leveraging AI for educational purposes. The program is scheduled to begin in September, and enrolled students will be encouraged to utilize this AI tool. The AI chatbot will offer students software-based tools that support learning around the clock, accommodating individual preferences and pace. According to CS50 professor David Malin, the goal is to provide students with personalized guidance, thereby enhancing the learning experience in the CS50 course. Number 7. ChatGPT has rendered writers jobless. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to engage in conversational interactions and generate human-like responses. It has been trained on a vast amount of text data and has the ability to understand and generate coherent and contextually relevant text. ChatGPT can potentially replace copywriters, blog post writers, and story writers by automating the process of content creation. With its natural language processing capabilities, it can generate persuasive copy for marketing materials, blog articles, and social media posts. It can also assist in the creation of fictional stories, generating plot lines, characters, and dialogues. By providing a text prompt or engaging in a conversation, users can leverage ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, receive suggestions, and even co-write content. Its ability to generate text in different styles and tones makes it a versatile tool for content creation. Number 6. Economic inequality and social unrest. The widespread displacement of jobs due to AI automation may exacerbate economic inequality and lead to social unrest. As lower-skilled jobs are more susceptible to automation, workers in these positions may face greater challenges in finding new employment. This could contribute to a widening income gap between those who possess the necessary skills to adapt to the changing job market and those who do not. Furthermore, the benefits of increased productivity and profits from AI adoption could be concentrated in the hands of a few, further exacerbating wealth disparities. A report by the International Monetary Fund, IMF, suggests that this unequal distribution of benefits could lead to increased social tensions and unrest, posing significant challenges to societal stability. Now, if you think this is something we should be concerned about, wait for number 1, because what we will discuss on number 1 will convince you that AI has already taken over the world. Stay with me. Number 5. Ethical dilemmas and lack of accountability. AI systems raise significant ethical concerns, particularly regarding biases, lack of transparency, and accountability. Algorithms used in AI systems are trained on large data sets, which can inadvertently perpetuate discriminatory practices or reinforce societal biases present in the data. For example, facial recognition systems have been found to exhibit racial and gender biases, leading to potential discrimination in law enforcement and other contexts. Ensuring accountability in AI systems is another challenge. When AI operates autonomously or makes decisions with limited human oversight, it becomes difficult to hold the technology accountable for its actions. The lack of clear guidelines and regulations surrounding AI ethics and accountability poses a potential risk, as decisions made by AI systems can have profound impacts on individuals and society as a whole. Number 4. Autonomous weapons and global conflict. The development of autonomous weapons powered by AI raises alarming concerns about global destruction. These weapons, without sufficient human oversight, could make independent decisions to engage in warfare, potentially leading to unintended consequences and a lack of human control over life or death situations. The Campaign to Stop Killer Robots, an international coalition of NGOs, has been advocating for a preemptive ban on fully autonomous weapons, highlighting the potential risks they pose to international security and human life. A report by the United Nations Institute for Disarmament Research, UNITER, emphasizes the urgent need for international discussions and regulations on autonomous weapons. The lack of proper governance frameworks could result in an arms race, further escalating global conflicts and threatening global stability. Number 3. Loss of human expertise and creativity. As AI rapidly advances, there is a concern that it may devalue human expertise and creativity in various domains. Tasks that require complex problem-solving, critical thinking, and intuition, which have been traditionally associated with human capabilities, may be increasingly delegated to AI systems. While AI can excel in data analysis and pattern recognition, it may struggle to replicate the nuanced decision-making and intuition that humans bring to certain tasks. The potential devaluation of human expertise and creativity can have significant societal implications. It may lead to a decline in job satisfaction and fulfillment as individuals are relegated to more routine and less intellectually stimulating tasks. Additionally, the loss of human creativity, which drives innovation and new ideas, could hinder progress in various fields, limiting the potential for groundbreaking discoveries and advancements. Number 2. Privacy invasion and surveillance. The rise of AI-driven surveillance technologies raises significant concerns about privacy invasion and the potential for mass surveillance. Facial recognition systems, social media monitoring, and predictive analytics are examples of AI-powered tools that can infringe upon personal freedoms and lead to a loss of privacy. For instance, a report by Amnesty International highlighted the use of AI-powered surveillance systems in China's Xinjiang region, where they are utilized to monitor and control the Uyghur Muslim population, leading to human rights violations. According to a survey conducted by the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, at least 17 states in the United States have access to facial recognition databases, further highlighting the pervasiveness of surveillance technologies. The lack of clear regulations and oversight poses a risk to individual privacy rights and raises concerns about the potential misuse of AI-powered surveillance tools by governments and corporations. Number 1. Unemployment and social strain. The displacement of human workers by AI automation can result in widespread unemployment and social strain. A report by the International Labor Organization, ILO, estimates that millions of jobs could be displaced globally by 2030 due to automation. This displacement can have profound psychological and economic impacts on individuals, families, and communities. The World Economic Forum highlights the potential challenges posed by job displacement, noting that displaced workers may face difficulties in finding new employment or may require extensive retraining and upskilling to transition into new roles. Moreover, the loss of jobs can contribute to increased poverty rates, mental health issues, and social unrest, further straining societies and posing challenges for policymakers and governments. So now, what are your thoughts? What do you think we can do to minimize the negative impacts of AI? Tell us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.